This fruit is small, brown, and fuzzy on the outside, but green and tangy and sweet on the inside. Is it a kiwi, a plum, or a mango?
I think it's a kiwi because that's the only fuzzy fruit.
Kiwis are fuzzy and they are super cute. Now, kiwi is full of all types of great vitamins and really healthy.
Yeah.
You guys should eat one sometime. Now, the kiwi is named after the bird from New Zealand, the kiwi.
The kiwi?
Do you know why? Because kiwis look like the kiwi bird, which is brown and fuzzy.
Oh.
That's a kiwi bird right there, and that's the kiwi fruit. They both are fuzzy and brown.
Yeah.
But you don't want to eat the kiwi bird because it's not sweet and tangy inside. Only eat the fruit. Okay.
Yeah, don't eat the kiwi bird.
You'll be sadly disappointed because it's not sweet and tangy on the inside.
Yeah.
It's bloody and bony.
Yeah, that's kind of like
Gross.
gross.
We'll see you guys next time on Ailani's Little World.
Bye.
Bye.